Ang ating bata-batuta ay pupunta na ng shops, guys. O, tingnan nyo ang kanyang bag. Anak! Anak! Look at mommy. Oh, sure, sure, go there. Oh, quick, Chris.
Don't hold my back.
Don't hold my bag. See, there's car coming.
Come on, here.
What would you like to eat?
Over there.
What would you like to eat?
Over here, mommy.
Good girl. This way. Good girl. We'll go get mango here na. We'll go get mango.
That's a donut.
Mabuang talaga ako. So the original price of this pillar is 200 Australian dollars. So mga ano siya guys, mga 7,000 pesos. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Wednesday everyone. It's the 29th of December and it's currently 1 o'clock ng hapon guys. Ako lang mag-isa dito sa bahay kasi ang ating baby girl ay nasa childcare and also Daddy Mike work in the office today. So yeah, very quiet and I'm actually liking it at the moment guys because I am not feeling very well. Kaninang umaga nasukan na naman si ate nyo and I'm just getting sick of being sick. Gets nyo ko guys. Like seriously, I'm so over it. But you know what I mean? This is what you get when you're pregnant, right? But yeah, I don't know. Hindi ko lang ma-stop yung sarili ko na mag-compare when I was pregnant with Paris. Parang very quick lang yung morning sickness ko guys. Like this time it feels like it's, I don't know, every single day. Tapos kaninang umaga guys, hindi pa nga ako nagising, right? Like I was still in bed. Sinabi ko na kay Daddy Mike na I'm feeling sick already, Daddy. And also it's very sore kasi meron akong mouth sore dito guys. Ayan. Sa ano, dito sa taas, yung mouth ulcer. And it's very sore kapag nagsasalita ako. But now I'm very hungry and I'm really craving for soup. It's crazy because I don't know, yung mga pagkain na gusto ko before guys, like my favorite, yung fish head soup, yung KFC, yung mga ganun guys. Every time na iniisip ko sila, it makes me feel like I wanna throw up. Kaya, pag nag-iisip ako ng pagkain na gusto kong kainin at it doesn't make me feel like I'm going to vomit, binibili ko kaagad or ginagawa ko kaagad. Nakita ko si kuya, kakaano lang niya, drop lang niya. Nag-order ako online ng food ko for lunch. Ito yung in-order ko guys. Super ganda ng araw sa labas actually guys. Ayan. So yung in-order ko is from a Korean restaurant. Sa Uber Eats, meron silang ganito, radish kimchi. Tapos ito guys, yung beef soup. Ayan, tapos merong maliit na rice dito. Ayan. Kain muna ako guys kasi sobrang gutom na ako. So this is it. Ayan, yung ating meat, burn. Ayan. Okay, bon appetit guys! After ng lunch ko kanina ay nagsampay ako ng mga damit sa likuran. Nakatapos ko lang guys. And then, before ko lilinisan yung isang kwarto, I just wanna share this to you. So ito yung napamili ko when we went to Doncaster Shopping Center. So guys, maming-mami talaga guys, no? Mami talaga, ayan. So, binili ko from Sheridan. Ayan, yung pangalan ng shop. So, yung mga pinamili ko pala, guys, is Unan and a couple of towels. Tapos, isang ano lang, guys. Isang pillowcase. So, if you watched my previous video, guys, nung pumunta kami ng Capel Sound, nung birthday ko, tapos we went for a weekend away. So, sobrang na-in-love talaga ako doon sa mga unan, yung mga sheets nila, and yun bang mga pang-hotel talaga ng mga unan. And then, that day, nung binili ko to, guys, umandar yung pagkabuntis ko. Sabi nga ni Daddy Mike na it's very random, kasi, yun lang guys, very random lang, kasi, usually, hindi ako nag-iisip ng mga ganito, guys, kasi meron na naman kami mga sheets, meron kaming mga, pillows, but that day, sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, I want one. Especially now that I'm pregnant, guys, like, I want a good night's sleep, I want to rest, I want to relax. So anyways, ito yung ipapakita ko, guys. Hindi ko pa pala ito ginamit kasi I wanted to do this haul before ko siya gamitin. Pero si Daddy Mike, kasi dalawa yung binili ko na towel para sa kanya, tapos para sa akin. Hindi na siya makapaghintay, ginamit niya yung sa kanya. But, yeah, hindi ko na siya mapapakita, guys, kasi it's dirty. Pero, this is the first one. This is the pillow. And, I know, guys, no, pillow is pillow, but meron talagang diferensya, guys. This is what they call deluxe feather and down surround. Ayan. Anyways, I don't know what that means, but in-explain ni ate sa akin sa shop. And, meron siyang kinumpare dito. Ito yung talagang pinili ko, guys. And it was very funny kasi nung nandun ako, hindi ako nagtanong kung magkano. So, I just said I wanted a nice pillow. Yung pang-hotel talaga na feeling na pillow. Yung hotel talaga na quality. Tapos, ito yung inan niya. Sabi niya, well, I have this too. You can compare, ganun-ganun. Tapos, sabi niya, asan yung gusto mo? Tapos, pinatry ko kay Daddy Mike. And then Daddy Mike said like, yeah, I think this one is nice. And then, yeah, nice din pala yung presyo niya, guys. Itong pillow na to, ayan. Tingnan nyo. Kasi hindi siya sobrang firm, hindi din siya very soft. So, kapag natutulog kang ganyan, parang mag-ano lang siya, parang i-adapt niya yung shape ng ano mo, ng ulo mo or face mo, ganyan. So, very comfortable lang talaga siya. And, I'll tell you the price of this one, guys. Mabuang talaga ako. So, the original price of this pillow is 200 Australian dollars. So, mga ano siya, guys, mga 7,000 pesos for the pillow. And you know what, guys? Na-experience ko na before na nung nasa Pilipinas ako, yung pillow namin sobrang solid, yung very hard ba? Kasi yung ginagamit ni Mama na pang-una namin is yung mga old jeans, yung mga pants, yung mga ganun. So, nilalagay lang ni Mama sa ilalim ng punda. Tapos, yun na yung pillow namin. So, sobrang hard talaga. And now that, you know, I'm in the point of my life na I can treat myself na ng mga pillows na mga ganito, I'm super proud and very happy. And again, kung hindi siguro ako buntis, guys, hindi siguro ako bibili ng ganito kasi I wouldn't care. Like, meron naman kaming mga, marami naman kaming mga pillows dyan. But because like, I don't know, sobrang arty ko ngayon na buntis ako, guys, na parang gusto kong maganda yung tulog ko. Especially nung mga first week ng pregnancy ko, guys, na sobrang, anong tawag dito, yung feel ko na, basta hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ko sa tiyan ko, yung katawan ko, sumasakit. I feel like very tired, ganun. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko na I wanted to have a good sleep. And I think this pillow will help me, guys. Kasi pag komportable ka sa bed, diba? And also, you know, guys, if you're going to think this is not an expense, I think it's an investment. Kasi it's for yourself. Kaya, yeah. And also, like, you spend more time in bed, guys. Kung iisipin mo, natutulog ka sa bed for a long time. Kaya, it's good to have, you know, magagandang pillow, guys. And I'm super happy na binili ko to. Tinawalan nga lang ako ni Daddy Mike kasi nga, sobrang tagal. Mga 1 week ko na siguro itong binili pero hindi ko ginamit kasi hindi ko nga nagagawa ng video. I've been very, I don't know, busy kasi nga Christmas and all. And also, super tired, guys. Super tired ng katawan ko talaga kaya hindi ako nakakagawa ng videos. But, ayan. So, this is it. So, that's the pillow. And then, I've got the ano guys, yung towel naman, ito daw yung best towel nila, yung pang ano daw, yung mga pang hotel nga daw. So, white yung kinuha ko. Kay Daddy Mike pala, navy blue. Ayan. Ayan. O, diba? Sobrang ganda. Hindi ko pa rin ito nagamit. Kasi nga, hinihintay kong ano, mahaw. Ayan. So, tawag dito, Luxury Retreat. Turkish cotton pile. Incredibly plush and soft to touch. Ayan. So, parang feel mo talaga na, ano, ang tawag dito na parang nasa hotel ka. Ganyan. Especially ngayon, guys, na sobrang ano sa atin yung, oh my God, like, you know, I'm feeling so tired. Ilang beses ko namang na-mention yung tired, guys. But things like this, you know, like you have a shower and that, you have a good towel. It makes you feel good. It makes you feel better. And then, hindi ko na mapapakita kay Daddy Mike, guys, kasi ginamit na nga niya. But navy blue yung sa kanya. So, yun yung gusto kong kulay talaga na navy blue tsaka white yung partner. Ayaw din naman ni Daddy Mike ng white kasi ano daw, madali daw ma-dirty ba? Tapos, mahirap daw i-maintain yung pagka-white niya. But I wanted white, kaya yun. And then, this is the standard pillowcase. Isa lang yung binili ko, guys, kasi para dito lang talaga. But, again, hindi ko tinanong kung magkano, guys, kasi pumunta ako ng shops kasi gusto ko lang talagang bumili ng unan, ng towel, tsaka ng pillowcase para sa unan. And then, ito yung pinili ko kasi sobrang ganda niya, sobrang soft, ganyan. And then, yung presyo pala nito, guys, was, magkano ba to siya? Pillowcase. Oh, yung pillowcase na ito, guys, was $70. Oh my God, $70 sa isang pillowcase. I know. I think that's too much, guys. Kasi parang first time kong bumili ng mga ganito na medyo ma-pressure siya ba. But again, I think it's just my pregnancy kicking in. Yung bang, oh no, I really want this, I really want that. So, yun na nga. Anyways, I don't think I'll regret kasi for sure, maganda yung tulog ko nito, guys. Especially, alam nyo, guys, I don't know, sa mga mami na dyan, no, you tend to have like a lot of nightmares kapag buntis ka. I'm not too sure kung bakit ganon. Pero, sobrang dami talagang nightmares kapag pregnant ka, guys. So, hopefully this, I don't know if it's gonna help anyways, but I'm trying to make myself feel better. Alam niyo yun? Gets niyo naman ako, guys, diba? And then, yeah. So, all in all, guys, actually, itong towel na to, I bought it for, it's $60 each yung towels. Pero, guys, kasi alam niyo naman, I know I love these things. This is necessity, guys. Hindi to siya want. This is also a need. But, yeah, pumunta ako dun, guys. I think like hindi ako talaga ng presyo, nagtanong ng presyo. Before talaga ako nag-decide na bili ako ng ganito. Kasi, they were on 30% off sale. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, kung sobrang mahal man yan, minus 30% off, I think, makakaya na ng bulsa ko. Makaya-kaya na ng bulsa ko. Kaya, all in all, guys, yung nabayaran ko, kasi 30% off, so, yung nabayaran ko lang was $272.92. Ayan. So, itong una na to, instead of $200, $140 na lang siya kasi 30% off daw. Ayan. Anyways, that's all, guys. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo and magagamit ko na siya ngayon kasi naipakita ko na siya sa inyo. I-open nga natin tong meron pa siyang mga case na ganyan, guys. Oh. Ayan. Ay, dalawa pala to siya, guys. Hala, isang set na pala to siya. Akala ko, agay, hindi nagbabasa. Pillowcase pair. Oh, that's good. Akala ko $70 for isa lang. Dalawa pala siya, guys. That's good. Ayan. Oh. And then, anong oras na ba ngayon? 2 o'clock na yata. So, I still have 3 hours before natin pick up yung ating baby girl. So, yeah, guys. I'll see you later. Let's go. I'll open the door.
They come and see me.
Who's that?
What's his
Who's
name?
that? What's her name?
Caroline.
Caroline. Good job. Good job.
Melbourne.
Push. Do you want to push it down? Push it down. Strong girl. Very strong girl. Yay. Hang on, wait a minute. There you go, you can pull now. Careful when you go down.
No, me.
Oh, come on. Oh, they're coming. Oh, come on. Good girl. Look where you're going, Paris. Where's our car? You don't know? Oh, no. Oh, no. Paris don't know where the car is.
That's my car.
Do you want to open the car? Yeah. Baba. Do you know how to? Do you know how to?
Tell my battle.
Please?
Please.
Okay. Paris, open the car. Be, kabalo ba si Iya, be? You don't have to use that key now. Push the button. Push the button. Here. Whoa, there you go. Go in. Ang ating bata-batuta ay pupunta na ng shops, guys. O, tingnan nyo ang kanyang bag. Look. Look at mommy. Oh, shush, we'll go there. Wait, look at this.
No, don't hold my back.
Don't hold my back. See, there's car coming. Wait a minute. Okay, go. Quick, run.
No, mommy.
Okay, this way, Paris. This way.
I'm so hungry. Come, mommy.
What would you like to eat?
Over there.
What would you like to eat?
Over here, mommy.
Si Iya,
Come, mommy.
Okay, go in. Where's the door? Go away. Baba, that's the door. We're going into the shop. Come on. We'll go get something to eat here. This side. Okay, Mama, home. Come on. Good girl. This way. Good girl. We'll go get mango here now. We'll go get mango.
That's a donut.
Come on, this way. This way, we'll get mango now. Come. We're home na, guys. Magluluto na tayo ng dinner natin. Si Baby Paris pala nandun sila ni Daddy Mike sa lunchroom. Nakalimutan kong bumili ng ng egg noodles. Yung sana yung lutuin namin tonight with this meat. Ayan, but nakalimutan ko, guys. Yung lulutuin ko na lang tonight is itong meat. And then, lalagyan natin ng tocino. Ayan. So, plan B na lang tayo kasi nakalimutan ni Mami nyo yung noodles. Tapos, ito na lang yung lulutuin natin for Baby Paris. Tapos, nahugan na lang natin ng meat. Para may makain din siyang meat. And then, hindi pala marami yung napamili ko sa shop. Kunti lang yung binili ko kasi nandun si Paris, diba? Nahihirapan ako magbitbit. Pero nagbili na lang ako ng detergent powder. I got some mango slice. I got muesli. Ayan. And also vanilla nilagay ko na sa fridge. Kasi I feel like having this in the morning now. Kasi very light lang siya. So hopefully hindi ako parang feeling na magsuka ba. Kapag kinain ko yan. And then we've got this as well. Dishwashing liquid. And then Paris's wipes. And then bumili ako ng natin ni Paris, guys. Yung isang packet na naman kasi naubos na yung sa kanya. Just put it here for now. And then, yeah. Magluluto lang din tayo ng kanin para may pamparis tayo dito sa ating tocino. guys, tapos na yung luto natin. Ayan na. Oh, diba? So, yung ating tocino, pork tocino. Ayan. Smells so good. But you know what, guys? Because, I don't know, I'm pregnant pa. Yung aking sense of smell, sobrang sensitive. Like, parang sobra-sobra yung naaamoy ko. For some reason, kaya nga pinacheck ko kay Daddy Mike kanina kasi parang naamoy ko na yung pork ba. Pero wala namang problema, guys. Yun lang talaga ang aking pang-amoy at the moment. It's very sensitive. I've got rice as well. Ayan. So, kakain na tayo, guys. Nandun na ang noodles kay Daddy Mike. Got my sister, guys. Oh. So, while cooking, chika-chika. Kaya sana all hamis. Ayan yung ginagawa ko, guys, para may kausap ako ba. So, cooking while chika-chika. Ayan. So, ngayon, natapos na ang aking luto. Goodbye na. Hindi ko na siya kailangan. Gigamit naman di ay.
Hanggang sa sitanubon. Nakaaha na yun.
Char, ang aha. Wala na ako gigamit ang aha eh. Guys, kain muna kami, guys, ha. Bye-bye, Mac.
Bye! Bye, guys!
Bye-bye. Do you like... what is it? Do you like strawberries?
You like strawberries?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
You like
Ayun na, guys, oh.
strawberries?
Nakain na niya yung noodles and then kumain siya kanina ng grapes and then that's just strawberry.
You like strawberry?
Yes, I do.
You like strawberry?
Yes, I like strawberry.
You like noodles?
Noodles.
You like noodles?
Noodles. Ikaw nakabili noodles.
Noodles.
Mama bite me. Guys, time check tayo. It's now 9 o'clock ng gabi. And we are going to bed very soon. We're gonna prepare Paris for bed. We'll wash the face kasi very oily ang kanyang face. Oh, kaya kamay siya kanina pagkain niya. And then, we're going to brush our teeth.
You like strawberry?
I like strawberry. See?
You like strawberry?
Have a look at this.
Strawberry.
That's strawberry.
That's
That's
good.
strawberry.
That's like what?
Yeah. Anyways, guys, i-end natin yung vlog natin dito. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, guys. Sa mga bago nating subscribers, welcome sa inyong lahat. Thank you for considering na mag-subscribe sa ating channel. And now, we're just going to do a quick shout-out. And the first shout-out goes to Jeremy Miala. Shout-out to Clarice Torres, Los Viminda Casilan, Cherry May Ongayo, Jovey Opiasa. Shout out to Emelita Gonzalez, Diana Lu Arabis. Shout out to Maika Bachinicha. Careful, anak. Shout out to Ni Raot, Guy Kalibod. Shout out to Hilaska, Leti Santos, Maribel Robles, Cindy Francis Salcido, Marvic Lim, Joanne Ambe, Salvacion Miguel, Crispina Palma, Molly Navidad, Helena Putong, Unique 05, Larry Sam Humilia, and Rosemary Franco.
Oh my.
Yes, honey.
My pretty grandma.
The bowl? Do you want this one? Yeah. Good catch, my love. Ooh.
That's mommy.
Pass. Pass to daddy. Go. Go.
In the bed. It's in the bed.
Daddy's in bed already. Oh.
And they will play with me.
And daddy is sleeping na. Anak, love, you have to go in the bathroom, nakta.
No.
You very anak.
You have to wash first.
Buling.
Then play balloon.
Now I'll play
Come on.
Later on after you wash.
That's it, guys, for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you like it, thumbs up nak. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye-bye.